Welcome back. Last time we created our product and customer model. Today we are building the shopping cart and we will encounter our first official design pattern. First, I will create the cart item class to represent an individual cart item, and another one would be the shopping cart class. The shopping cart would represent an object that will hold the multiple cart item objects, and it would logically represent the a physical cart in the e-com in the commercial markets usually. So let's dive in. Let's create a cart item.java file, and for the shopping cart I need to create another folder here named as cart. Cart will consist of shoppingcart.java. All right. So the in the cart item, let's update the code here. Let's define the first of all constructor, public cart item product. Cart item should have a product and a quantity, and let's define the attributes here. Private product, and another one should be quantity here. With the cart item constructor, these attributes will be initialized. Next, we need to define the getters here. Uh, Public product, get product. With the get product method, the product details would be returned, and another one should be the get quantity getter, which, uh, which will return the quantity parameter. Alright, the cart item.java has been prepared now. Next, the shopping cart.java would be updated. This will take the customer as an attribute. Let's make it private customer, and another one should be the list of all the items that customer want to add them in the cart. Let's add some imports so that error lines could be removed. First one should be the customer itself. Dot model dot customer. Import selfie command will be void. Okay, let's check it out a bit later. First of all, let's create more imports here. Sassy.econ. Yes, cart item is required. And similarly, the product is also required. Sassy.model.product. And next one should be some utility class that will be required. Yeah, so the error lines is coming here because our package is the com.ecommerce.cart and I have been adding extra src word here. That's why the error is rising. Let's remove it to get rid of the error. Cool now. So our constructor is ready. Uh, no, the attributes is ready now. Constructor has to be prepared. Public shopping cart. It would take a customer object and would initialize the customer attribute and will initialize with the empty list for the items attribute. Uh, for updating the items list, a method would be added here named as addItem that can update the items attribute here. So let's define it. Public void addItem. addItem should take a product and a quantity. Then it should add into the items attribute. After that, let's add a log here to print on the standard output that what has been added here. So let's write that added quantity of some product name into the cart with the product dot get name. The name of the product would be returned here. And next we need a function to calculate the total sum of the prices of all the products. So let's calculate here. Public double calculate total. Yeah, the suggested definition seems fine here. The double total should be 0. Then a loop should iterate over the items list and within it each of the items price should be multiplied with the quantity and then should be summed up into the total variable, and eventually the total variable should be returned, which will actually represent the total price of all the items stored in the cart. Next, we need to display the cart items to the user. So for displaying the cart, let's verify is this definition here. System item, let's remove this line. For displaying the cart, the cart item should be iterated and its quantity should be printed uh, along with a multiplication sign, then the product name along with the product price. So this function is actually working as a billing information. This would represent the information on the bill that would be generated after the purchase of the products. Lastly, let's create a getter to return the all the saved items in the cart. Public list cart item get items, and it should return the items. Cool, now the shopping cart.java is has been created and the cart.item.java is also seems fine. And after this, let's check the customer.java whether anything should be updated here or not. Order seems should be done later, and what should be done here? All right, it is fine for now. So both of the classes for the cart requirement has been implemented now. So we now have a functional shopping cart here. Next time we will dive into the strategy pattern to handle different payment methods. This is where the real power of object-oriented programming design would shine. See you in the next video. Thank you.